An economic indicator is increasing at a rate of 3% per year. So the growth rate is 3% per year. So let's write this down. P% is equal to 3%. So notice that the percents kind of cancel. So P is equal to 3. This is probably the most important thing that you have to remember about this formula. Normally in compound interest and other problems, we always take the rate as 0.03, which means we take the 3 and divide by 100. But for this particular formula, this is something I want you to remember. If you're going to use the approximate T double formula, doubling time formula, this is only an approximation. Notice this doesn't say equal to. This means approximately equal to 70 over the percentage at the P of the percentage at which the indicator is increasing. Okay, so just remember this. This is the key to using this formula. P cannot be 0.03. That's what I mean to say. That would be incorrect. So since the problem doesn't give us the doubling time, it only gives us the growth rate, we have a formula to figure out the approximate, not exact, but approximate growth rate. All you have to do is substitute the P, and P is really not the percent, but the number before the percentage. So that is 3. Okay, so that is your approximate doubling time. So this is approximately equal to 23.33. Okay, or you can leave it as that. Next, so this is the first part of the question. What is the doubling time? And we use the T double formula, approximate doubling time. Okay, by what factor? This is exactly the same as the previous problems. By what factor will the indicator increase in 4 years? So let's write down the formula. New value is equal to the initial value times 2 to the power of t, the time that has gone by, and the doubling time, so T double. Okay, so since we want just the factor, let's divide both sides by I. This is the growth factor, remember we discussed this, times 2 to the T over T double. So we're using the same formula as we did in the previous 4 problems. So the growth factor N over I, this gives us, it's a ratio, so it gives us the factor, growth factor, which is equal to 2 to the, and the time that has gone by is 4 years, and the T double, the doubling time, is equal to 70, approximately equal to 70 over 3, and that's what we're going to use, the approximate measure. So 4 divided by, in parentheses, 70 divided by 3. Enter this into your calculator, and that is equal to 1.13, and I've just rounded it to the hundredths place, so that's 1.13. This is the growth factor. And I think the question asks you to round it to the tenths place. If that is the case, just write it as 23.3.